I have only one life to live and I cannot give it away like this. Hi friends, this is Anupama Mishra, born and brought up in Raipur, Chhattisgarh, and currently I am staying in Pune since last 7 years. A banker turned into a NLP coach and yoga therapist. My company's name is The Core Alignment. The Core Alignment name itself signifies connection with your own self, connection with your own unlimited potential which is within you. But before sharing what we exactly do in the Core Alignment, I would like to share my own journey, my own story, how I landed up into this. So before this, I was working with a reputed bank as an operations manager, and as you all know, being in the corporates, I had a lot of work pressures, stress. I was also facing a lot of health issues, like I had bronchitis, I had cervical issues, I had migraine. Migraine was so common for me, hormonal issues and weight issues. And I was very surprised to find out that the reason behind all these ailments was nothing but the stress. Yes, the stress. The stress was due to my hectic life schedules and my sedentary lifestyle and my own ignorance towards the healthy lifestyle habits. And these all also affected my own emotions, my behaviors, my attitude towards life, towards people around me. So finally, one day I decided to take charge of my physical, emotional and mental health, and I committed to myself that I will no more abuse my body with junk food, with pills or with medicines or with stress, and I will include the holistic approach of living into my life, as I felt I have only one life to live and I cannot give it away like this. During those times, one of my doctors suggested me to take up yoga for health issues. So I decided, okay fine, let's also give this a try. I found one yoga class nearby and I joined that class. I did my practices regularly. After a few months, I recognized that my health conditions were improving, my emotions were more balanced, and after regular practice of yoga, my health issues were totally vanished. And that inspired me to take up my journey forward in the field of yoga. I had a keen interest in the science behind yoga, so I did my professional degree in yoga, that is MSc in yoga. As I wanted to work more on my emotions to enhance my own emotional quotient, I came to know about neuro-linguistic programming through one of the seminars. Neuro-linguistic programming is basically the science of success, the science of excellence. Neuro-linguistic programming is a set of tools, techniques and ideas to enhance the quality of life. It also taught me many interpersonal skills which helped me a lot in my both personal and professional life. So after learning the neuro-linguistic programming, I started applying the techniques of neuro-linguistic programming also in my life, which enhanced my quality of life a lot, which gave me balanced attitude, balanced emotions, good interpersonal relationships with people. As I was still working with the bank, now my health conditions were improved. I had more balanced emotions, good attitude, good behavior, great interpersonal skills that subsequently led to many productive things in my work, like effective team management, employee motivation, interpersonal skills, leadership skills, and more work without any stress. So in this way, yoga and NLP has helped a lot to me to improve the quality of life in both the fronts, in personal front also, in professional front also. So friends, yoga and NLP totally transformed my life. Thus I felt if I can, others also can. And I also thought this holistic approach of yoga and NLP has to be taken to the others as well. Very soon I started spreading the gift of yoga and NLP to others. It brought many positive results in my clients, that gave me immense satisfaction. This is what something I love about my work. So very soon this became my passion, and I established my own company, that is the Core Alignment, where I have combined the knowledge of yoga and neuro-linguistic programming in such a way to help people to achieve success, health, happiness, abundance in their life. So now I am facilitating people to take charge of their physical, emotional, mental and spiritual health. Through Core Alignment, I do take personal life coachings, neuro-linguistic programming trainings, yoga trainings, counselings and workshops and seminars to schools, colleges and corporates, etc. To know more about it, you can visit to my website, that is www.thecorealignment.com, and also you can go through my social media pages. So friends, whatever may be your profession, whether you are a business person, a corporate person, a homemaker or even a student, stress will always be there, because it's not about the situation, it's always about how we handle the situation. Even if you see the current pandemic situation where many people are going through a lot of distress, many mishappenings are occurring now, this is the high time to go within and take charge of your physical, emotional, mental and spiritual health, and be prepared for anything and everything. Yes, because external situations are beyond our controls. You can only control what is within you, and taking care of your physical health, your emotional health and your mental health, it's your responsibility. It's nobody else's responsibility for you. This is your own responsibility. Take care of your own health, complete well-being. And believe me, if I can, definitely you can. Thank you friends for joining with me in this video. Thank you so much friends.